Wow, grabe to. Oh, pulang-pula pa, ang lamig. Ay, nice. Ang daming ano, oh. Ang daming cheese bites. Wala, may isang block ng cheese pan cheddar, oh. Huh? Hello. Tingnan natin ito, si Mr. Bean natin. Ay, hala siya. Hala, ang daming tapon. Mahal, ang daming tapon. Ay, kunin natin ang bag. Hala siya. Daming tapon, kunin natin ang bag. Hala. Ayan na, ito na tayo.
Buttermilk waffles.
Oh, where's it at? Uy, nice. Ayun ang bag natin. Oh. Hala, maraming jackpot dito. May lilis pa. Oh. Uy, ano to? Protein food. Kunin natin yun. Oh, may biscuit pa.
Catalina Crunch.
Oh, nice. Cinnamon toast.
Is that cereal?
Yeah. Cereal, yes. Ay,
Keto friendly, it said.
pistachio. Oh, it's open. I think this is open. Oh. Bukas pa ito. Ay, bukas nga. Bukas nga. Nice. You want that pizza?
Yes.
Cheese bites. Ano ito? Feel good. Open na. Magdig ka, mahal. Kunin natin to. Get this something like this level. And those are cheese bites. Those purple ones.
They're what?
Cheese bites. Panera bread, broccoli, cheddar soup. Oh, yeah, it's this is immunity. Bukas na. Ay, nice. Ang daming ano, oh. Ang daming cheese bites. Wala, may isang block ng cheese pan cheddar, oh. Huh? Ay. Isa natin ito. Uy, pakwan. Bulok na yung pakwan. Just put it there lang. Oh, no! Yung pakwan na bulok na. Ay, more cheese. Wala siya. Ay, hindi na. Ano na siya. Oh. May lilis pa dito. Oh. Wow. Jackpot Mars. Thank you, Lord. Oh, cheese bites tayo dito. Oh. Oh, nice. Ang saya-saya naman talaga. Thank you, Mr. Bean. Tampunan yung iba. Oh, there's drinks. Ito may drinks dito. Oh. Yeah, put it there. Ano po? Ay, bukas. Bukas na. Ito, tingnan natin. Ay, nakabalot pala. Oh. Kunin na natin. Sayang yan.
It's cold, huh?
Put it there. Oh, may roast beef daw.
Make sure it's not leaking.
Huh? No, it's not. It's good. I'll put it in different bag. I'll get another bag.
Okay.
Dito. Oh, what you got? Oil? Is that oil?
Juice. I don't know. Here. I can't read it.
Ito. Oh, there's no label.
On the back end.
Apple juice. It's apple juice. It's not organic though.
Lilies.
Yeah, there's some lilies. It's not organic. We'll leave that. Maybe other dumpster diver will get it.
What?
No,
Oh,
this
the juice.
juice.
Hey,
Kaya natin baka meron pa dito sa ilalim ng ano ba?
small lilies.
Uy, meron pa dito. Ano to? Beans. Oh, may refried beans.
What we got here? Half of my tea.
Nice. Look at huh? Half and half. Oh, nice. It's more. Oh, this is good cherries, love. Oh, ang ganda pa ng cherries. Oh, what is that? Bulok na. Sa mango. Hindi na pwede mango. Look at my cherries. Bulok na yung cherries.
nothing in them.
Maybe there's more there. Did you look at the edge? Right, packed here at the bottom.
Yeah, kind of.
Gelatin. Lion's mane. That was lion's mane. Tignan natin dito. Sabi sa'yo, hindi mo tinignan. Pasaway. Bukas na to. May cheese pa. Lion's mane, mahal. Yan oh. Lion's mane. Lion's mane team. Maganda yun. Pampapokus. Mag-focus. Ang daming celery oh. Kaso hindi naka-plastic. Ang ganda sana kung naka-plastic. Ay, ito. Ayun pa oh. Uy. May corny sa ilalim oh. It's empty. Mahal oh. There's another fat for our
Oh, good.
uh,
Or soap.
for our soup. Ano na andyan?
Oh, milk.
Uy, there's more fat, mahal oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, ang dami oh.
Everything's as fat.
Organic sausage. Is that organic sausage? I think that's
Yeah.
organic. So there's a lot of meat.
It's probably vegan.
Probably. But we will get this. Kunin natin to. Ang lamig oh. Sa fat natin, kulang yung fat namin eh. Uy, there's more lion's mane. Isa lang. Hindi ko makuha. Okay. Ito natin cheese bites. Kan natin ito ha. Kunin natin ito pang ano natin. Can you reach it? Can you reach it?
What is this?
Oh, it's all meat. You can make it fat or... Wow. Trimmings. Oh, hala. Gawin natin. Gawin natin mantika. Gawin natin itong mantika. Munang palabuhin. Ang galing. Nakaano na. Nakaganito na oh. Ano to? Baka bigan nito mahal. Spinach and feta chicken sausage. Okay. Testing natin. Pa. Sayang. Ay, nako. May naiwan ba ako dito? Ano na ako naiwan? Wala na, naiwan. Ito, meron pa pala. Meron pa pala sa ilalim. Tanggalin na lang natin ang box niyan kung hindi na pwede. Diba? What you got, mahal? Organic whole milk.
There's probably more in there. Have to get inside.
Oh, this is like the one we found. I will get another bag. Maybe I will go inside.
Yeah.
I will go in this area.
Okay.
That side. Yeah, I think I can go there.
Okay.
I need another bag.
Here. You put your ladder over there.
Okay.
What do you need, a bag?
For that milk. Oops. Hindi may bacon oh. Naku. Apakan. Sayang naman mga to.
Might be more milk under you.
Paano? Ito. Turkey.
Yeah, this meat, a lot of the meat is good.
We'll leave the turkey to the other diver.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
It's still cold. The fish, I don't trust the fish. Oh, mahal oh. Asan na ka? Ito.
All natural.
Hot sausage.
What are the ground beef patties?
Oh my goodness. Oh,
Oh wow.
that's a little bit. Wow, grabe to. Oh, pulang-pula pa, ang lamig. Hala. Thank you, Mr. Bean. These are pork. Careful, there's a lake.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. What do you say? Ground beef. Mm. Ibala ka na dyan, mahal. Ano to, fat? Beef fat. Uy, perfect. We need beef fat. Specific for beef. How about these are not ground. How about
I
their
said, what about the ground beef patties? That's what I said.
Oh, I grabbed some.
Yeah.
I think it's still good.
Yeah, they look good.
It's really
They're
good.
cold.
It's really cold.
I would say get all of it.
Yeah, we get all of this. Nice. This is jackpot talaga, ang dami. Mahalo. Saan ka na? Hindi mo ko binigyan ng bag. Nice sausage. Oh, itlog. Itlog. Ano natin na itlog. Aray ko. Uy, may ribs pa dito. Nako. There's the... Excuse me, huh? Excuse me. Nagdighay. Excuse me po. Asawa ko.
Found this.
Oh? Are they coming? Huh?
Here comes the helicopter.
Oh. Baliw.
Or maybe it's
Hindi na pwede to.
it's helicopter, not a drone.
Maybe it's a drone. It's only one
No
milk.
more milk?
Wala na. Oh, I think there's more milk. Hold on. I'm trying to make a way here. I'm afraid I will step some food. Okay. Alright.
What's in the orange juice?
Huh? Okay. I think there's organic milk here. Yeah.
Yeah. Over on the other side.
Yeah.
What's the big? Is that meat?
What?
See where it says chicken maple?
Ay.
By the milk, there's a bag. I mean a package that looks like
Oh,
meat.
chicken maple.
Yeah, not that one. The one at the end of it. What is that?
This one? Oh, oh no,
No?
it's open.
Okay.
No, it's dirty. Oh, I don't think this milk is still good.
Okay.
No good ang milk, no good na.
That one doesn't look like it's. Yeah.
2%. I don't want it. Oh, may pork pa oh. What is this? Oh. Oh. Oh, you want that? Oat milk
Present
creamer.
for you.
What is that?
Caramel.
Is what? Airmail?
Okay.
Oh. I don't want airmail. That's it.
What's that? Probiotic.
Where's probiotic?
Hmm?
Where?
Dude, you just threw it down.
Oh, okay. It's nasty, oh, because it has. I crushed the avocado.
Hmm?
I crushed the avocado.
Oh,
That's it.
0 added sugar.
I'll get out in here.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rico. Rico. Hey. Oh, thank you Lord. Ayan, mag-back na tayo. Let's put them all in the bag na. Huh? This is all meat?
Yeah, this is the first 2 boxes.
I think that's fine. Let me see. Oh, I'm out of bag. I forgot.
Yeah.
Plastic baggies. Okay, let me check. Don't forget to close the thing. Ayan, ito na mga Mars. Nako, madaming karne. Salamat po sa mga pangalan. Salamat po, Mr. Bean, kay God. At pag binigyan tayo ng maraming karne, buti na lang, pwede pa. Diba? Oh, ayan, ang dami nating karne, malaking tipid, big savings talaga nito, hindi na tayo bibili. So, ayan, isa-isay na natin mga Mars, ang ating nakuha. So, meron tayo ditong Perk Plant Protein Superfood Almonds, Curcumin, Maca Decadent Chocolate. So, zero sugar, ayan, meron tayo nyan. At meron tayo dito na 20 grams protein, zero added sugar, Chobani. Ayan, Chobani Strawberry. And meron tayo dito ng milk. Ayan, may Horizon Organic Growing Years whole milk. At ito yung isang bag ng karne na mga fat, mga Mars. So, ayan. Gawin natin dito. Ang gagawin ko dito, alam nyo na, gagawin ko ng mantika at magagawa ko ng sabon. Kasi yung nakuha ko nung una ay kulang yung mantika. Ngayon, buti na lang, binigyan tayo ng maraming taba. Maraming fat para sa ating oil base ang ating lye soap. So, ito, at meron tayo dito ng pepperoni pizza, classic pepperoni pizza, at Snack Factory Pretzel Crisp, dark chocolate flavored drizzlers. Ayan. At ang ating mga lilis, mga konti lang pala, kala ko madami akong nakuha. Lilis less sugar sweet life dark chocolate covered almonds, no sugar added. Ayan isa. At ito, dalaway nakuha natin ito na Lilis milk chocolate style covered caramels. Ayan o, no sugar added. Sarap ko ito kapag nakakain man lang ng chocolate. At ang ating pumpkin spice flavored baking chips, no sugar added. Lilis, oh wow, white chocolate style stevia sweetened. Nice! Nagawa ko ng cookies na guilt free. Thank you Lord. Thank you talaga Mr. Bean. At ito, tingnan nyo mga taba, oh. Taba ng baka yan. Taba ng baka. Hindi pwede taba ng baboy ang gagawin nating oil base sa ating sa ating sabon. Kailangan taba ng baka. Ayan, gagawin nating mantika. Ayan, oh. Ito yung iba, oh, yung ang dami niyan. Ito pa. Dami nating karne. Ito roast to, oh. Good na good pa, oh. At meron tayo ditong mga dalawang ground beef dito, ano ba ito? Ano pala ito? Oh, beef patties, dalawa. At 8 ground beef na grass fed, yan siya. 'Di ba? 8 pack at 5 pack ng pork chop, no antibiotic ever. Ayan, 5 pork chop. At meron tayo ditong Thomas Farm rack of lamb grass fed. So dalawa yan siya. Ang mahal, tingnan nyo, $11 and tapos tingnan nyo, kapiranggot na, nipis, gagawin kong kaldereta ito. Pwede kaya yung kaldereta. Testing natin kasi matapang masyadong matapang ang yan. Yung niya, yung flavor niya ba? Mango. Ayan, Shaka Tea Hawaii Main Island Vibes Mango Hibiscus Flavored Caffeine Free Herbal Tea, zero sugar. Yan ang gusto kong lagi nakukuha, yung zero sugar, kasi hindi kami umiinom ng hindi na may sugar. Cut namin ang sugar sa aming diet mga Mars para mabawasan yung timbang natin. At ito pa, mga karne. Ano palang bacon yung isa, Yan bacon ng isang yan. Diba? At ito, totaling fat lang yan. Fat lang talaga ito. At meron tayo dito ng ano ba ito? Bravo tea Mushroom Wonders Lion's Mane Herbal Tea. Nice. Alam nyo, maganda pang pa-focus ng brain to. Pagka hindi ka makapag-focus sa trabaho mo, uminom ka lang ng Lion's Mane na na tea or supplement. Boost ang energy. Magiging matalino ka daw. At itong mga made in Netherlands cheese bites. Gouda. Ito ay Gouda. Kung makikita nyo, ito yung apat may packaging, pero tatanggalin ko din yan kasi tinan nyo, pangit ito. Makikita nyo merong walang mga packaging. Tinanggal ko ang mga packaging kasi sila ay nabasa. Buti na lang nakarap ang mga biskwit. Kahit nakarap nabasa yung box at nakarap ang biskwit, pwede pa yan mga Mars, diba? Ito naman ay cheddar ang flavor. Ito yan siya, ayan cheese nut, cheddar naman ang flavor. Dalawang cheddar na kuha natin. Ayan. At my burden Colby and Monterey Jack cheese sticks. At ito ay na isang Catalina Crunch keto friendly cinnamon toast cereals. Ayan. At ito may biscuit tayo dito. Gluten forever, gluten free cookies and vanilla cream. Paborito ko yung mga ganyan. Sayang hindi sa keto. At ang ating organic buttermilk waffle or waffles. 6 waffles. Yan. At yung cheese, ayan ito kinukuha namin kasi nakarap naman siya. At ito tingnan nyo ang mahal niyan diba? $41 ito. Ito lang at $41 na yan. At ano bang cheese ito? Boar's Head American cheese. Ayan $41 kamahal. At ito naman $30 naman, 2 pound 3 pepper Colby Jack. Ayan. At ito pa. Ito naman ay Head imported Swiss cheese. It's $72. Wow, mahal. $72. Diyos ko, ginto naman itong mga cheese na ito, ito naman, Boar's Head White American cheese. 41. Ito, mahal nito. Ito yung pinakamahal, $100 siya ata. Ito yung hindi pala. 62. Pala ko $100. Yan, 62. Ano ba to? Boar's Head Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella. Pizza tayo. Yeah. At ito, meron tayo dito ng milk chocolate crispy wafers with sea salt. Nice. 2. At meron tayo dito Olera strawberry fruit and grain bites. Yun 4. So, ayan ang ating nakuha sa isang basurahan. Ayan po, ang dami. Salamat po. Yung ibibili po namin ng pagkain ay pambayad na lang po namin ng bills. Pay the bills na lang. Diba? Nakatipid na naman tayo. Ayan mga Mars, sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Pa-subscribe and like at pa-comment po kung nagustuhan niyo po ang aming video. Salamat po sa panonood. See you in my next video po. Bye!